Got it! Here you go! Oh!
Oh my gosh, what is wrong with you?
Well, first there's my ADD. Second, I pick my nose. Third, I'm weird. Fourth, I still pee in my pants when I go to sleep at night. Oh my gosh! All right, hey, wait. That's for the challenge. It's for the challenge. We have some Peeps ghosts from a year ago because Sean was gonna have a ghost birthday party for his first B-day, but we did something different. So, wait, Sean, you ate the second one? Give it to me. It's gonna poke you.
Now I'm gonna try this.
Oh! You got it! And what we have here are our ghost fighters. This is a Marshmallow Pete video you may remember our tour guide from our last Florida video. She gave us this idea. Here's a little flashback. This was her idea, so thumbs up for Nicole. Woo! All right, so here's how I think this works. We've never done this before. You're supposed to play with regular Peeps. We have two fighters here. Now, they each have a sword, so you guys have to put your swords in, and we're gonna put them in the microwave, and supposedly, we have to see whose Peep will pop the other Peep. Your Peep?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, Mike. Oh, you see two more? Hey, can Sean eat you?
No.
They said no. 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 No more candy because you had two. Hi-ya! This is Chase's fighter. It's Chase versus Mike. Hi-ya! Oh, Mike's been stabbed. All right. We have our battlers. We're gonna go in here and supposedly we're gonna watch them attack each other. I don't know how this works. We'll put them like that. All right, we got our battlers. All right, let's get 1 minute on the clock. Yay! And let's watch. All right, let's see what happens. They should start to blow up. All right. Oh no! Chases!
No.
Oh no!
That was Mike. No, it wasn't.
Oh my goodness!
Whoa!
Chases is exploding, but no one is winning. Oh man! All right, hold on. That didn't work.
Chase lost. Me.
We failed. I don't think we know how to do this.
Chase's keeps blowing up. Oh!
You see that? Oh my goodness! Go get another toothpick. You see it? Oh my gosh! It's so big. Okay, go. Pop it quick. Boom! Oh, all the smoke came out in a deep flame. Oh, so that's what's supposed to happen. And they're supposed to like get blown up big, and then one of them is supposed to like stab the other one, but ours didn't work. Good thing we have 4 more. Yeah.
Me.
You want to try?
Me, yeah.
Oh, you want to poke it?
Yeah.
That's actually why we have ghosts everywhere. Well, it's because of Halloween, but still, these ghosts were also purchased for Sean's first birthday party. But we changed it, and you had petting zoo animals.
Oh.
Look at the inside, it turned to peanut butter.
Hey.
What?
Stop.
You what? We're not doing that. Careful. Oh my god, okay, that's a toothpick. Can I have that? All right, here's what we're gonna do this time. Instead of the toothpicks, we are going to see if we can crazy glue a ghost.
Me. Yeah.
No, you can't do that. It's hot, no touch.
Me, Dada.
You wanna eat glue?
Yeah.
No, you can't. Oh, you sad? Wanna eat glue? But you can't.
Sure, it's hot and non-toxic.
Yeah, it's hot and non-toxic. You need toxic cold glue. Okay, here we go. We have our little ghost sanctuary.
Me, Dada.
Oh, you're on there? Oh, there you are, Sean. Oh, you just smushed your face. No, Sean!
Yeah.
I know you're smushing. No, it's because you're smushing. Are you fat? I think that'll work. They're all getting ready to pop each other.
If you get close to me, I'm gonna pop you. If you pop me, I'm gonna pop you. Ain't nobody popping nobody except for me. I'm popping somebody.
I popped.
right, close it. We got that 1 minute and go. All right. Oh no, they all fell. Whoa, no. Oh. How do we do this? The microwave is melting the glue.
They're turning into Hot Pockets. Look at that one.
Ghost pockets. You want to pop it, Chase?
Yeah.
Here, Chase. Quick. Pop it! Pop, 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 poopy, poppy. Of course, you want to pop it to eat it, Sean. That was not very cool, that one.
Yeah.
Oh, more? You want to do more?
Yeah.
Okay. It looks like the more we put on a plate, the less bigger they get. So let's just try one in the middle.
Yeah.
More?
Yeah.
Okay, just one. Sean, say 1.
2.
Good job. All right, let's see how big this one gets. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Look at this one. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's like a monster.
A monster piece.
Oh, I get it. What did Frankenstein say about his artwork? It was a monster piece, right? Good job, Chase. You just made a joke. Oh,
Hey, what's a ghost's favorite fruit?
I'm not even answering that. So cool.
No.
That's corny.
Look, whoa.
What?
Hey, no, what are you
What
doing?
diarrhea?
Daddy, it went diarrhea. Shouldn't do that. Because if it goes in microwave, it explodes diarrhea like this. Look! Whoa!
On Sean? Just put it in just like this?
Yeah.
Look, playing ghost soccer. All right, Michael made up a last man standing game.
Last man standing.
Whoa, they're getting chunky in their bellies. Oh my goodness. What is happening?
What the? No, they've been there for. Whoa!
Yeah.
Hey guys, little lesson with Mike. You know how to catapult a pencil? So what you're gonna do? Put your thumb and put another finger right at the eraser. Put your pointer finger right at the tip, and then you do this.
That was Sean's face. Ow, ow, hot. Now.
Say no food now.
I wasn't getting that to give to you. I was getting it to throw out. Sean, no, you can't eat that. Dude, you want?
Nothing at all.
Does mommy keep taking away your food?
No.
Johnny, Johnny?
Eating candy.
Eating ghosts? Telling lies? Open wide.
What's the matter?
Hey guys, I'm making a book for Chase. If you want this book, you can go to skykids.spreadshirt.com.
It's not there, bro.
Does someone need to go?
Whoa. You what? You what? You what? You what?
No.
You what? You what? You what? All right, we're done with one fail, and we're gonna see if this is a part 2. We've got a domino to hit a ball and to go down into the box, then the 3 boxes. So we have better.
The funnel perfect.
Okay, ready? Okay, Michael, go. Dude, that failed on so many levels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like lots and lots of levels.
Try it again.
Nah.
Show them my door. Guys, this has been on my door for so long. I wrote Funnel Vision, skykids.spreadshirt.com, the Mike logo,
What is wrong with you?
and boom shakalaka, somebody called the doctor.
It doesn't go like this. Boom shakalaka. Somebody called the doctor. Doctor. Oh, your shoes?
Yeah.
He calls his shoes his deets because he's trying to say feets. Go get your deets. Uh-oh, you did that? You got that?
Yeah.
Hey! No, do that. Hey! Stop! No. Oh! No, he's gonna break the TV. No. Hey! No, hey!
I'm sitting in the couch.
Sean, you're not normal.
Ah!
Oh my god.
Hey, Sean!
No food, no!
You wanna go time out? Let's go in the crib. Wanna go CP?
No.
Okay, you can't throw.
Hey.
Say sorry, Dada. Give me a hug. Say sorry, Dada. Who's your cat? Michael drew that? Funnel vision? You shaking your butt?
Now, Pluto, now.
Sean just made up the name of this game, Bia Ball. Bad guy? Oh, I'm afraid of that bad guy.
What? No. Oh my god. Sean, can you get Sean away from me?
Yeah, Sean, go. Okay, well at least you know it was a fail. Y'all are crazy.
Stop, seriously, get him away from me.
Did you mess it up?
Yeah.
Are you a good boy?
Bye-bye.
A bad guy down there. You're gonna go see bad guy? Okay, go see bad guy. What, I have to come with you?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. I'm gonna do the responsible, safe parent thing to do, okay? Okay, I'll race you. Loser! No, you can't jump from there.
Bye-bye.
Bad guy. Oh my gosh! Dude! You caught it! Yo, he caught it! It came out of nowhere.
Who mind that?
Oh my gosh!
Throw it back.
You wanna get bad guy?
Yeah.
Get him. Yeah! Aw, did you just take it from your baby brother? What happened? Chase took it? Chase, you took it? Should Chase get a spanking? Yeah? Okay. I'm gonna spank you, boy! Hey! No running in the house where you get stitches again. Is it locked? You tried to hide, but it's locked. Spanking coming. Spank! I got him, Sean.
That's it.
Chase, throw it. Got it. Here you go. Oh!
Oh my gosh, what is wrong with you?
Well, first there's my ADD. Second, I pick my nose. Third, I'm weird. Fourth, I still pee in my pants when I go to sleep at night.
Go as hard as you can.
Run, go hide, go run, run, run! Run, Sean! Run, run! Sean!
I did not close the door.
And phone toss.
Hey. Guys, transition to to a relaxing dad.
Oh.
Hey, can I do a video? Can I do a video? Transition. Now you just made me turn into a cat. Meow. Little cute
Yeah, but he's such a nice little kitty cat. Yeah, look at him. What's his heel up there?
Die, little kitty cat.
I can't brush my kitty hair. I'll brush my hair.
Ow, ow, ow. I'm gelling my ass. Alright guys, that's it for the vlog. Transition, peace.
Sorry for those people that tried to watch this video. It had 4 views, but over 5,000 comments. When you try to play it, it says it's unavailable. Thanks a lot, YouTube, for messing up my day. Oh, the mama ghost spit it into the baby ghost mouth. Your turn.
No.
Hey, no more. High five?
No.
Nice pumpkin, Chase. We're trying not to wake up the spider.